Hi everybody, today we are going to start talking about addition. First we're going to do 2 and 3 digit adding with no regrouping, sorry. So it's going to be straightforward adding, and let's get started. Okay, so you know that when you see addition problems, you have the addition sign right in the center, and you can see it written vertically up and down or horizontally side to side. And the two numbers that are being added are called add-ins. So 24 is an add-in, 16 is an add-in, and you're doing the operation addition. So again, sometimes you see it sideways, sometimes you see it up and down, but both ways we are adding. And so this first one, I think all these problems that we are doing will be vertical, and so you need to make sure that you line up the place values. So right here we have the ones column and the tens column, and so you always for addition start in the ones column. So we have 7 plus 2, so start with bigger number and then you can count up. So 7, 8, 9, and then 4 plus 3 is 7. So again, you always start in the ones column and then 7, 8, 9, and 4, 5, 6, 7, count up. And if you still need to use your fingers, that's okay, but we're trying to get away from that. So just do your best. And again, some of this might seem a little babyish or a little young, but we're just getting back into the swing of things. We're just going over our basics. So in this next problem, again, they are already lined up, so we start in our ones column. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So there's our answer. Oops, forgot one. Sometimes there's 3 digit and 2 digit, and like I said, it's very important that the numbers are lined out correctly, which they are right here, ones column, tens column, hundreds column, because we wouldn't see this because then that's lined up incorrectly. That's saying that you have 100 here instead of only having 10 in the number 15. So I'm going to put them back. There we go. All right, so 5 plus 4, we have 9, because we have 5, and then add 4, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 1 is also 9, and then we have our 3 plus nothing is still 3. And then we have 3 digits, so again, lined up. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 1 is also 9. So again, this is with no regrouping, it's a hard word. It's just straightforward. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then here we have, I gave you one add-in and then the answer. So it's up to you to come up with the other add-in. So 4 plus what is equal to 6, and we have 4 plus 2. 3 plus what is equal to 7, and so that would be 4. That's good, I'll leave it. Another way to look at that, you can do 7 minus 3 is what, which is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. And then we have 2 plus what is 5, and that would be 3. So 342. Then we have another one like that. So 7 plus what is 9, that would be 2. Again, you can do it the other way. 9 minus 7 is also 2. 1 plus what is still 1, and that would be 0. And then 3 plus what is 6, and that would be 3. So 302. And then I have some word problems here, so you can work this out on your paper, and I'll put this in here for us. Denise is making jewelry to sell at the craft fair. She makes 25 bracelets and 44 necklaces. How many items did she make all together? So I have 25 plus 44, and again, even when I'm doing it horizontally, I'm still only doing, or I'm starting my ones column, adding my ones, and then doing my tens. So 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 4 plus 2 is 6. And then this one, We have Kylie read for 45 minutes on Saturday and 20 minutes on Sunday. How many minutes did she read over the weekend? So we are going to have 45 plus 20 equals what? We have 0 plus 5 is 5, and then 4 plus 2 is 6, so 65. And we can, of course, label it 65 minutes. I can go back here and label this 69 items. All right, so that's just a little review on addition. I hope it is review and it's not just new stuff. Again, we're just getting back in the swing of things. You have your Tuesday review to do, and then you have the slide that says let's practice adding directions, drag the correct answer to each problem. So you have 2 slides like that where you're given the problem and you just need to drag and drop the correct answer. And then the last slide is what we just did. It says the answer and one add-in is given. Figure out the missing add-in that could make the answer true. So again, what we just did, so 2 plus what is 5, 0 plus what is 1, and just double click, and you can write your numbers in the box. Again, if there's any questions, please message me, dojo me, email me.